My name is Hugo, and I have DACA, and my DACA expires on March 9. So I missed it by 4 days.
The Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals program, or DACA, was set to expire today. But a series of court injunctions has temporarily halted President Trump's plans to end the program. So are the Dreamers safe? Not exactly. DACA offers undocumented immigrants who are brought to the U.S. as children a work permit, social security number, and protection from deportation, with one caveat: it must be renewed every 2 years. And in September, Attorney General Jeff Sessions said DACA recipients whose permits expired after March 5th would not be allowed to renew them. So some people who normally would have applied to renew their status couldn't.
My name is Hugo, and I have DACA, and my DACA expires on March 9. So I missed it by 4 days.
But in January, DACA recipients caught a break. A district judge in California struck down Trump's plan, calling DACA a lawful program that would cause irreparable harm if terminated, and ordering U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services to continue renewing DACA statuses for existing recipients like Hugo.
It was kind of a roller coaster ride at that point. I spoke with my lawyer. She told me to go for it and try to renew my DACA as soon as possible. I submitted my application on January 28th to renew my DACA. Back in January, I knew that I was definitely not going to be able to have my new DACA permit with me March 9th.
The relief from the court came too late. It can take up to 120 days or longer to process an application. When Hugo submitted his application, he only had 40 days before his status was set to expire. Not enough time to get his renewal.
Even if you were able to get it in the first day they were accepting applications, given the historic slow processing and delays that can occur, it's hard to know exactly how quickly those applications will be adjudicated. And so people who are right on March 9th likely are going to have a gap.
On February 26th, the Supreme Court rebuffed a Trump administration request for an expedited hearing, keeping DACA intact for now. But starting tomorrow, more than 400 people each day could face a lapse in their status while they wait for their renewal to be processed. During that time, DACA recipients could lose their jobs and driver's licenses. The government has said that Dreamers whose status has lapsed will not be a priority for deportation, but the government is also not promising to protect them, and that has Hugo fearful.
After March 9, I'm not going to have my work permit anymore. I'm not going to have any sort of protection. It's just going to be a waiting game. Every day is going to be waking up and, okay, is it here today? Do we have it today? Did it come in today?